Hi, my name is Sagar Rach. I'm the owner of Gladiator Injury Law. One of the most common questions I get asked day after day from clients as well as potential clients is, what do I do when I get in an accident? This short video will hopefully serve as a guide for you to be able to take the right steps and the steps that are necessary to make sure that you and your loved ones are protected. If you're in an accident, the very first thing to do is to ensure that everybody's health and safety is not compromised. And what I mean by that is, if you're injured or if anybody in your car is injured right away, you will need to call emergency services. Dial 911 for police, firefighters, and ambulance as needed. Once that's done, or if that is not necessary, you'll have to get out of your vehicle and assess the situation. One of the very first things most people will do is to call the police department in the jurisdiction where the accident happened. For example, if it was on a freeway, you might call the highway patrol. If it was on a surface street, you might call the Metropolitan Police Department. The goal is to make sure that somebody's there to help figure out what happened, and if you're not the at-fault party, to make sure the at-fault party is cited for that accident. One of the most common things we also see nowadays is a lot of police officers might not respond to a situation if it's on a private property, for example, or if nobody was injured. If that's the case, even without the police there, you'll need to talk to the other drivers, or drivers as the case may be, if there are more than two vehicles involved, and get their insurance information. You'll have to do an exchange with the other drivers to give them your ID and your insurance information and receive the same from them. Once that's done, you'll be able to go to the insurance company, both your insurance company as well as the other party's insurance company, and make the appropriate claims. This is where it's very, very important to make sure you have a lawyer before you make any statements or give any information to a third party, because the lawyer will help make sure that your rights are preserved, that you're not giving something up, that you're not providing recorded statements that may later be used against you to deny your claim. So it's very, very important to try to get a lawyer involved as soon as possible. We at Gladiator Injury Law have done this countless number of times. We've helped tons of clients win millions of dollars because we do care about our clients, but we also understand the process and the procedures to make sure that we are able to follow the case, that we're able to treat the case, and that we're able to handle the case in a manner that justifies, that justifies having the most compensation for our clients. If you need help, please feel free to give Gladiator Injury Law a call. You can reach us at 702-GET-GLAD. That's 702-GET-GLAD. Thank you so much.